let's get right into it. So I've been seeing some videos on the internet about the shingling method, well, on YouTube about the shingling method, and I wanted to give it a shot. It seems like a pretty simple, easy method to do. It is a little time consuming, but I wanted to see what the results would be like on 4B, 4C hair. Now first I'm going to go in by sectioning off my hair to help keep things out of the way, and then I'm going to go in with a spray bottle and soak this area as much as possible. Now I'm going to use the Au Naturel Anti-Shrinking Curl Defining Creamy Glaze by Dark & Lovely. I've been using this product now for quite some time. It's pretty much my go-to at this point. And I'm going to take the product and I'm going to run it through my hair. The idea here is to use enough product, not too much product, but just enough product so that you can get it evenly distributed throughout your hair. Then I'm going to take a small section, use my 2 fingers to press from the root and then drag towards the end of the hair. I started to notice that the ends were kind of difficult to manipulate, so I did a twirl and press method to get the ends to curl. Looking back now, I should have probably used more water to wet the roots of my hair because they were a little dry and a little hard to manipulate, but I pretty much got the hang of it eventually. Now I'm going to go in with my Afro pick and part my hair. I decided to do a side part. The same method and technique that I was using for the back of my hair is the same method that I'm going to be using for this section. So I'm going to spray my hair. I used a lot more water this time around. I went back through to focus on the ends and just started taking my fingers and pressing and pulling toward the end. Overall, I like the end result. I like that my curls came out super defined. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I waited about 30 minutes to let it dry down a little bit, so shrinkage, but I love the way this looks on my hair. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.